Does it really matter if an auto shop is clean? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Well, I think so. I think that a couple of things happen when you have a clean shop. Number one is it helps morale and it creates a mentality for the mechanics. And what that does is that increases quality. And when you have better quality, you also tend to get the jobs done a little bit faster. So it keeps things clean, organized. It's important to have good light, all that kind of stuff. So I thought I might share with you how we go about cleaning our shop for some of you who are curious. So this morning I came in with my grandson, I call him Gumball, and we cleaned the shop this morning. Now last night, first of all, the guys came in, before they left, they actually swept out from under their toolboxes and their workbenches, mopped everything, and had all the equipment out of the way so we could get to the floor easily. And I have a friend who has a carpet cleaning business called Pure Floor Care, and I think he's the best. His name is Chad, and he always says, hey, you got to consider what kind of Chad you want to use when cleaning. And Chad is an acronym for chemical, heat, agitation, and duration. So the chemical we like to use is laundry soap. Believe it or not, if you clean up a shop and it has a nice aroma, it makes a huge difference on how clean it seems. And sometimes we actually have events here where we would actually set up picnic tables and people will eat in here. So I love using the laundry soap. You can also just put it right down the drain when you're done. So we mix laundry soap and water in a bucket and we dump it all over. There's your chemical side of it. And then we don't do any heat because if we used hot water or anything, the concrete floors would just dissipate that right away. And then what do we do after we put the water down?
We would grab the broom.
That's right. We sweep all of that soapy water all out of the shop. That gets all the little chunks and everything out. And that's our first form of agitation, is the sweeping.
And we also get all the missing spots.
Yeah, we get all the missing spots. And then what do we use next? Why don't you show them what we use next? After that, we have one of these, we call them a Zamboni, but it's a floor scrubber, and we run it over the shop. So there's your second form of agitation. And the duration for us is the time in between we put the mop water down and we brush it out, and all that time helps that water soak, and that really helps clean our shop floors. If you look at them, I'm really happy with them. I think they come out great. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and until next time, safe travels and
Blessings to you.